Hi, I'm Surya Prakash. Now we are going to see the experiment number 2, data control language at TCL transaction control language at command. This program, now the aim is to understand the implement DCL commands and TCL commands. In this TCL transaction control language, TCL command deals with transactions within the database. Example of the TCL commands: when commits a transaction, rollback, save one. Now the syntax of this program: grant on object to public role, revoke privilege on object from the user public role. In this, create a new user, fix your register number, and change the password of the new user query. And this is the create your register number, identify a student and user created. Like this. The next is log into the new schema and try to access the deposit table. Record the error message. Now the query is select from the system deposit. This is the output. And connect SQL from the system deposit. And the error at the line 1 and the table or it does not exist. Question 3. Log into the system schema and grant the create, select, update and insert privileges. In this grant, select, update and insert on deposit. 2. Second one, to user or register number grant the table. This command should be used here with the create table and granted success. Now the question number 4 is select privilege on the loan table to new user the grant. Now the option is this is the command we should put command in this grant, select on the borrow the number and grant success. Now the question number new user schema and try to access the deposit table. Now the query is select from the system deposit and this is the from this deposit action amount date. Now the question number 6 is on the new user schema try to enter select on deposit table on another user and select on the system deposit and user to register number, and this is the number and grant success. And the question number 7 is revoke the privilege grant to the new user. Your register number query revoke, select enter the update on new deposit and revoke create table and revoke select enter the update on the deposit from the user or register number and revoke succeed. The query create a save point yes, and the save point created, row also created. Now 9th question is delete a record from the deposit table and delete from the deposit where the action number 101 and this is the action number 101 and the row is deleted. Now the 10th question is roll back the chance. Now roll back and roll back completed. Now the result is DCL and TCL commands are very successfully implemented and record queries were performed. Thank you.